In front of me is ACER Iconia Tab P11, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store to download new app you wish to set up as your default one. I already did that. Opera Mini. So I can go into Devices Settings right away. In those settings, hit Apps, then scroll to Choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections you wish to manage, like Browser app. Now click on an app you wish to apply and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!